Hello and welcome to another daily dose of insights powered by Container xChange. My name is Christian, and every other day we're bringing to you the data points and stories that are moving container markets. It's Friday and it's the end of a very volatile week in container trading, of course powered by very mixed signals on the GDP and inflation front, as well as, of course, on Wednesday, earnings reports came in from AP Møller-Mærsk for the full year 2022, as well as Q4 last year. Overall, a record year, of course, for the container carrier, but especially Q4 results came in below analyst expectations, further highlighting the slowdown of global trade and freight rates that happened in the second half of last year, accelerating in Q4. For next year, or this year, 2023, Maersk also expects a significant decrease in their profits. Talk is of about 80% decrease, further pricing in or expecting further slowdown in demand and, of course, freight rates. For 2023 in general, we believe that we'll be looking at a so-called look-through year. This term was coined, at least to my knowledge, by the CFO of BNP Paribas earlier this week. Watched a very interesting interview where he, of course, was talking about financial markets, and especially saying that the expectation for the first half or first 9 months of the year are relatively clear: high volatility, increase in interest rates, etc. But then with a normalization towards the end of this year. So basically looking through the shorter term challenges and volatility towards a normalization. On the container markets, both in terms of freight rates as well as container prices, we expect a similar trend, although I would not go as far as saying that we'll see a normalization towards the end of this year, but rather into 2024. So quite challenging short to midterm future ahead, with a normalization expected once global supply and demand balances out a little bit and freight rates normalize. On the shorter term horizon, very mixed picture at the moment. We are now running very regularly as well on LinkedIn, as well as within our Container xChange platform. We're running opinion polls or sentiment polls amongst container traders, forwarders, carriers, leasing companies with regards to freight rates and container prices. And the market seems to expect, or is not sure what to expect, very, very high uncertainty in the market. 44% of participants expect a further decrease in rates and prices. 33%, so about a third, expect an increase in prices, so a bit of a turnaround, while the remainder, 22%, expect rates remain roughly the same. So a very, very balanced picture and very unclear expectations and high uncertainties in the market. Having said that, it's time for the weekend. Enjoy your weekend, recover, and see you all on Monday. Take care.